Perhaps one of the biggest roadblocks to advancing land development is technology itself. It was not until 50 years ago that technology was available that could reduce the calculation of a single point, such as a lot corner, from 5 minutes to about 5 seconds. Today, a 200-lot subdivision that would have taken a month to create the geometry can now be done by automated programs in a minute or two. While all of this seems great, the negative side effects of the solution have been drastic. Today, automation allows lots to be perfectly calculated in a fraction of a second, but only if those lots are identical. Essentially, decade after decade, we have been slowly become more dependent on a software encouraging the user to use specific configurations to get that plan out the door as quick as possible. The designer no longer concentrates on quality of living elements, such as the view out the windows, eliminating monotony, adding curvature to reduce speeding, and much more. The current generation of students are taught using technology that automates design a bit too much. A graduate of civil engineering may be qualified to work on a cookie-cutter land development, but not one of an organic design of which CAD automation is too limited. One example we see too often is on rolling terrain, streets being graded without attention to the grading of the individual lots, ignoring the balance of earthwork. In many cases, we're not talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, but millions of dollars. When developers complain to us that they can't make the development viable because of earthwork, we tell them that they have a choice, and that is to go ahead and spend the millions of dollars, or seek out an old-school engineer who will spend the time manually to balance volumes. This is just one example of hundreds in which technology has made things worse, not better. We predict that artificial intelligence is going to dumb down decision-making even more. Is it fear of change, complacency, regulations, or technology that is the largest roadblocks to advancing growth? If you have been following this 4-part video series, then you are involved in the land development industry in some form. You can make a difference just by thinking differently.